Right, ons is by Nampo 2026. Ek is hier so by Nick. Hierdie jaar is dit nie net staties nie, nee. Daar's drone demos ook, elke dag 12 uur, daar so by die Suiddek bo. In elk geval, genoeg daarvan as jy hier nou toe kom. Ons praat met Aaron, hy gaan my meer vertel van hulle P150 Max. Kom ons luister 'n bietjie. Right, Aaron, hoe gaan dit?
Goed en self.
Nee wat, aan die gang, dinge loop. Okay, so, your P150 Max, this thing has been out now since, November when they launched it at Agritechnica. Just tell me a little bit more, what makes this drone special?
So this drone is really special in the sense of we're now working off a 4D imaging radar, which makes your terrain follow extremely accurate. It is absolutely brilliant in the air. And it also works through your FPV camera, which now obviously has AR built into it. So picking up pivots, power lines, it's really incredible.
Why didn't XIG go the LiDAR route?
So LiDAR unfortunately has some faults on it. If there's any mist or dust, it can obviously cause some faults with the system. And the reason that XIG went with this, just it's more effective and more consistent.
Want ek weet die ding werk mos so, jy kan hom maar flat taps vat en hom in die pivot probeer vasvlieg, dan dodge hy self die pivot, nee.
Yes, it does, yeah. So the nice thing about the AR camera is this drone learns every time you fly it. So if you fly it once in a field, it will actually mark an obstacle automatically on the system without you even telling it.
Yeah.
When you fly the next time and you fly full taps, it will actually know that the obstacle's there. Pivots, power lines, trees.
The whole lot.
Yeah.
Sort them out.
Yeah.
Uitstekend. Okay, en dan wat nog op hierdie drone wat hom actually rarig, ek sê nou die mylpaal maak van dit wat in die mark beskikbaar is.
So again, my favorite things about these drones is your props with your pivots.
Yes.
This is one of the drones one of the reasons that this is allowing us to fly in higher altitudes with full tanks.
Yeah.
So, altitude doesn't really affect us too much, as well as temperature. We're still able to get the lift just because he's more stable. And our 2 battery setup, which is still the same as our P100, but you have 1 battery to back you up. You have more cooling area, so your batteries cool off a lot faster than the mist blowers. And if 1 battery does fail, you actually have a battery still to get you home.
You're saying mist blowers, what does that mean?
So we have our mist cooling stations, if we walk across there.
Yes.
Our mist cooling stations, now you can fill up with 8 liters of water. It will keep you going for a whole day. It has a condenser inside of the lid. And basically...
Oh, okay, so it's got a fan here and
correct.
then it blows the water through the battery.
Yeah, so it condenses the water and then blows the water straight through, or the mist straight through the battery, which cools it off really fast.
So that basically just means that it can charge quicker.
Correct, so no matter how hot it is during the day, your batteries cool off nice and fast.
And, okay, and in terms of capacity, what am I looking here at? I'm on a new camera. I'm still figuring it out.
Shame.
So... in terms of capacity, how many liters does it take?
So our spray tank on our Revo spray is an 8-liter tank.
Yeah.
Then you also get our Revo cast, which is a spraying system. It's a 115-liter tank. And it takes off with 80 kgs max takeoff weight.
But there's drones that can lift higher capacities than this one. So what makes this one better then?
Look, again, our battery system and our tank system, it allows us to be very efficient. Where other drones may struggle.
So what are you telling me? You're saying efficient, meaning that the tank is empty before the battery is empty, because it doesn't help that your battery you've still got a product in the tank. But then your battery, is that what I'm
correct? Yeah.
Understanding it correct?
So essentially you should be landing with 40 to 50% battery off every single flight.
Okay. And then it's also the charging is then quicker.
And your charging is fast. So the more that your battery has left in it, the faster your battery charges, and that's what we talk about efficiency.
Okay. And what does the resumption look like on this drone in terms of, because I know also apparently that the way that it comes back from where it's sprayed and how it goes back, and that's also important.
So again, this drone is actually fully autonomous. We let the drone do the work. Your resumption points, you're flying at 72 kilometers an hour, so it's really fast to get to the field and back to you. and you let the drone actually go. So the drone will basically finish spraying in the field, he'll mark his points, he'll fly home, you'll fill him up, change batteries, he'll fly straight back to that point and he'll carry on.
En dan druppelgrootte op hom, jou drop sizes that you've got.
So we start from, well, this drone starts from 60 microns,
Yes.
and he'll go all the way up to 1,500 microns, which is perfect for your fruit fly baiting. Or
Dis
any
so
baiting
hy
application.
kan reën maak as hy moet.
Yeah.
Nee.
If you really
Hy
want
kan
to,
vir jou
you
nat
will.
maak.
100%. Yeah.
En dan sê vir my met al die ander drones, nê? Het hulle meer regop design as dit kom by jou by die tank, nê? Hoekom is hierdie een horisontaal?
So the reason that this has been designed like this again is it actually creates airflow over here, so your batteries are cooling off while it flies. So
Dis is 'n radiator.
yeah, so your basically your drone comes and lands, and your batteries are actually pretty much already pretty cool. Put them straight into your mist blower, and yeah, your batteries cool off really fast. Again,
Nou gaan
that increases your charge. The batteries charge a lot faster.
Uitstekend. Okay, en dan julle het nou hierso demos elke dag, nê? 12 uur. Is dit reg?
Correct.
So 12 o'clock there by the southern gate, the top.
Yes.
Or they
that's
can
correct.
just come to the next
Or they
stand.
can
You're
come
close
here
enough.
and we'll show them where to go.
Uitstekend. Erin, dankie baie.
Thank you.
Right, so dit is Erin hierso van Nick af, nê. So, as jy wil kyk, soos hy sê effektiwiteit is baas, nê. As jy in die mark is vir 'n drone, kom draai 'n bietjie hier of kom kyk 12 uur hoe demo hulle. Dis die van Farm Space af. Tot volgende keer. Groete.